Let me give you an example of practical. Okay, so when we decided to use this product for the video series that we're doing, and it's called a Diamond Street rebuild, where it's a secondary dwelling that had failed a lot of inspections because the city wasn't involved. We tried to save as much of that insulation as possible, because again, what's really good with SONOpan is it really benefits from being stacked, right? Like it's not just use this one product. It's use Ruxol. That's a great product. Put it in the wall. Do the best that you can, but then do SONOpan on top of that, and then do your C channel. And then now all of a sudden you're adding value or like STC rating to your enclosure.
Exactly. So there are different elements of soundproofing. And even in a best case scenario for insulation, you're only getting about 2 to 4 STC points. And that's just the nature of insulation, because it's going between the joists and there's lots of areas that sound can travel through still. Whereas SONOpan comes in and creates a solid barrier. So it's not a magic product by any means. It's not got any secrets to it, but it has a different element that insulation doesn't have. So you've got the mass from drywall. You've got the resonance reduction and capturing frequencies from insulation, but within the cavity. And then you've got SONOpan, which creates a solid continuous barrier to stop and absorb.